Hello guys, welcome back to another video and I am Ali and I am back with a very interesting video. So guys, in this video we are going to make a stopwatch. So first of all, let's see the demo. Here you can see I have one stopwatch file. So let's click on start. So here you can see seconds and tens are moving. So now let's click on stop. So you can see that stopwatch has stopped. Now click reset and the watch has reset. So now it's time to make it. So I've already made one folder with the name stopwatch. And I have three files index.html, script.js and style.css. So let's open this with Racket. I have already opened this and written some boilerplate code. So guys, here I need to write dot wrapper. After this I will write h1 and here I will write stopwatch. After this I will write h2 and h2 I will write vanilla JavaScript. So guys, wait a second. I will write JavaScript and stop watch. So after this I will write t, and in this t I will write span hashtag seconds. So after this I will write 00 and here I will write span hashtag tens. After this I will write 00 and here I will add this colon. After this I will add some button hashtag button start and copy, and here I will write start. After this I will copy down this line 3 times and here I will write reset and above here I will write stop and here I will also change the ID. So here I will write stop and here I will write reset. So now our simple HTML code is ready. Now it's time to style it. So I have already linked this file with this CSS file. So here I need to write body and here I will write BG and the BG color is 40739E. So after this I will write dot wrapper. So I will copy this because we need to paste type it again and again. So here I will write height and set the height to 60. So guys, here I need to set the height to 15 pc and width to 21 pc and set the width to 21 pc. After this I will write BG, set the BG to hashtag 008FF. After this I will set the text align to center and here I need to place it in the center and I will set the margin top to 13 pc. After this I will set the margin left to 20 pc and here I will set the position absolute. After this I will write dot wrapper h1. I will set the color to wheat. After this I will write empty margin top and set the margin top to 20 px. After this I will write dot wrapper and h2. After this I will write color and set the color to hashtag 192A56. After this I will write dot wrapper and set and write span. Here I will write font size. So I have written font size and set the font size to 30 px. After this I will set the color to yellow. Here I will write dot wrapper and p. After this I will set the font size to 30 px. After this I will write dot wrapper p comma span. After this I will write margin top minus 3 px. So after this I will write dot wrapper button and I will add the BG, which means background, and I will add the background color 4C137. After this I will write font size. So I will set the font size to 30 px. Set the border to none. I will set the border radius to 10%. So guys, I will set the border radius to 10%. So now let's see let's run this with live server. So wait a second, it is opening in a minute. So guys, here you can see it is working. So wait a second. I think I am mistakenly. So guys, here I do not need to write button. Here I need to add button. So guys, be sure to add button over here. And now let's see. So guys, you can see the button is here. So I don't know why they are not customized. So I have done. So guys, wait a second. So now you can see everything is okay. So here I will add one thing. I will add the cursor. Insert the cursor to pointer. So you can see the great look over here. So after this time to add script.js. So I have already linked this file with this JS file. And here I will write window.onload equal to function, and over here I will add 2 brackets, and after giving one space I will write var seconds. Now guys, var means variable equal to, and set the var seconds to 00. After this I will copy down this line, and here I will change the seconds to tens. After this I will here write var append tens equal to document dot get element by id. So guys, here I will write get element by id. Wait a second. Document dot get element by id, and here I will write second. So guys, here I will write tens, and copy down this line. Here I will write second, and over here I will change this tens to seconds. So after this I will write var. So guys, wait a second. Var button and start. So after this I will write equal to, and here I will add document dot get element by id dot get element by id, and here I will write button start, and I will copy down this line. So wait a second, let me correct the spelling. So here I will copy down this line. Here I will write reset, and here I will write stop, and also change this text over here, and here I will set key to reset. So guys, now everything is done. Now after this I will write var and interval. After this I will add some command again, button start. So guys, wait a second. Button start dot on click. So guys, on click equal to function, and after this I will write clear interval, and after this I will write interval. So after this I will write interval equal to set interval, and after this I will write start. I will write start timer, comma, and set it to 10. After this I will give this. So guys, wait a second. After this I will give one space, and here I will write button and set the button to stop, and here I will write so guys, wait a second. Button stop dot on click and equal to function. After this 2 brackets, and here 1 curly bracket, and here I will write clear interval, and after this I will write interval. So now after this I will give 2 line of space. So wait a second. So here I will write button and set button reset dot on click equal to function, and after this 1 curly bracket, and here I will write clear. Just wait a second. Here I will write clear interval, and after this I will write interval. After this I will write tens. Wait a second. Here I will write tens and set the tens to 00. So wait, let me set it. So here I will write 00, then copy down this line. So here I will write 10, in place of 10 I will write seconds, and after this I will write append tens and write inner.html, inner.inner.html equal to 10. So after this I will add semicolon, and so guys, wait a second. It is important to add semicolon over here. So after this I will write append seconds dot inner HTML equal to seconds. So now after this I will give 3 line of space, and here I will write function start timer, and here I will add this bracket, and after this, wait a second, here I will write tens and set the tens to plus plus. After this I will add semicolon, and here I will write if and bracket tens. So here I will write tens and this and 9. After this I will add this append tens dot inner HTML equal to 0 plus tens. So guys, now it is ready. So after this I will give one line of space, and here I will write if, and here I will write tens and 9. After this I will, so guys wait a second, after this I will give one curly bracket, and here I will write append tens, and after this I will write dot inner HTML and equal to tens. After this I will give one line of space again, and here I will write if tens greater than 99, and after this I will write, guys wait a second, after this I will give this curly bracket, and here I will write console dot log, and in bracket I will write seconds. So after this I will write seconds, and set the seconds to plus plus. After this I will write append seconds dot inner HTML, and here I will write equal to 0 plus seconds. And after this I will write semicolon, and here I will write tens and set the tens to 0. After this I will write append tens. So guys wait a second, here I will write append tens and set the append tens dot inner HTML, and after this equal to, and then 0 and then plus 10. So guys wait a second, here I will write 0, I will write plus 0. So after this I will give one line of space. So guys wait a second, after this I will write if, and here I will write seconds greater than 9, and after this I will write append and set the append seconds. After this dot inner HTML, and after this I will write equal to and seconds, and after this, and wait a second, after this I will give one line of space, and here you can see everything is fine. So let's see that it is working. So guys, you can see that it is working over here. So guys, I'm clicking on stop, the stopwatch is stopping, and I'm clicking on reset, the watch is stopped. So guys, today's video, this is all. So hope you like this video. If you like, so give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more information videos. So guys, meet me in the next video. Till then, practice to code, enjoy. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.